Yeah, nation people. Right about now, I see everybody upset about the Grammy Award business. You see what I say? I'm hear people like both celebrity entertainers, like, vlogger, everybody come out and I talk about the Grammy Award, and everybody has said their piece and licking out, you know what I mean? It's mad crazy. It's real crazy to almost see the people that operate, and all up to now, me not hear nobody lick the nail on the head, my brother. All no, me not hear nobody use the hammer, the sledgehammer, and lick the nail on the head. Everybody want go around the real fact I want one. The real fact I want one, it's like from morning, reggae music and dancehall music not get no support from the government, from the tourist board, from no official people in Jamaica. From morning, that's a number one. So, what I'm saying that all of this, if the country not gonna support the best result, you know what I mean? Or the thing we're bringing one of the most income in the country. If the country now go protect that, structure something around that, you know what I mean? All the hell we must expect other people supposed to support. Eh? No, talk the truth, because this is not good. This is not even a games thing, I don't even a lollipop thing, You know what I mean? Because I notice people in Jamaica, them afraid to talk the truth because them run behind people who have money, run behind people who have huge influence, run behind people who them think better than them, and run behind people who them feel like say successful. You see what I say? It no matter who you is, me I watch your behavior, my brother. Me not care who you is, a behavior me watch. So if you're a rich man with nasty behavior, you go on with your rich nasty behavior, my brother. Me not in a nothing with you, my friend. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. All the government do, and the tourist board, all them do are use reggae music, my brother. Or reggae to be the face. Reggae supposed to be the face of the tourist board. And this happened to reggae. Man from other country can come take up reggae. You know what I mean? And all win Grammy fight. And people like make millions. Look how much money Jen come on and them man they make without nothing going to the owner, like the owner for the thing, or them not benefit nothing off of that, because in Europe reggae bigger than even Jamaica. No gimmicks thing not dead about it, The reason why I say all of this thing, we should not have to depend upon nobody to support reggae music worldwide. You see what I say? The government, them put ban on artists, them a fight against the music, them now the government and the tourist board, them now have no big show where them keep a airtime for support reggae music nor dancehall music. They only do that when it comes to politics time. Then them want reggae artists or dancehall artists for sing, duff plate, for them, for suit for them own curiosity. You understand what I say? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. The tourist board, the government, them fi have 2-3 big show a year time, red carpet style where you give the artists them award, you know what I mean? For them contribution for what them do over the years and bring in a whole heap of tourists coming out the country and make a bag of money and nobody ever see it and chat them with them, my brother. If we did have that, structured, we only need people, all of these reggae artists where they over the world and white reggae artists, them would have to find them Bumbo and Jamaica when them award show they are going. Just like back in the days when Sting hot and tear up the whole place, you have rap artists who are pay length for company Sting. Not length pay me I'm booking for the show, Him pay length for a space to come work on it, just to the hype and the demands where the show, We for make them people here come to we, you know, we have the reggae, and we have it, you know. And them here come to we and buy it from we, or we want to go to them. So if artists not cross over them, no, them not be knowing. Eh? Me never hear Bob Marley and the next international artist do no collaboration, my brother. Me never hear that, you know. You can't even move Bob Marley off of the iTunes chart, my brother. How much years now? Eh? Yo. It's when and the Marley family. What the Marley family, enough big artists, enough producer, enough selector, and them shit. We all have to blame, my brother. We all have to blame. We don't structure nothing around reggae, my brother. We don't structure nothing about reggae in Jamaica. No structure not there. You know what I mean? Nobody now come together. You know what I mean? And deal with certain things and produce certain music and deal with it underneath a certain type of manner where it respectfully, you know what I mean, and it born and strong and concrete and structure up. Eh? Eh? So I'm saying, like, even if the government now do it, the reason why I say the Marley family, even if the government now do it, them are the face of reggae, my brother. Even if the government now do it, them supposed to come with dynamic plan with them and whole heap of artists, because whole heap of artists you have in Jamaica were successful, and whole heap of producer, and even you have some selectors too. So if them could have come together, form either a union or something where them can come together and make plans and go about them thing the way them structure it and them stuff there. You know what I mean? That we can get the best out of reggae and all them shit there and them thing there. Nothing like that not happen, my brother. But if you call them man, they name some boy go like say true, just because needs and want and people love run behind people and true people look up to people who have money.
28 M.
Yeah, people who have money and people who have success and them things that them feel like you're not supposed to talk. We not work them with them, brother. They not beat the truth, my brother. You know what I mean? Charlene time, all when you run around the road 20 times and go around the corner, they are still the truth. You can't pass that. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. So at them thing there. Why, you know? The music like that, you know, and then you have some selector, you know, them not hype up certain reggae artists, them not play certain reggae artists, and them now go nowhere and bust out the man them song. When season and keep it on them, you know, burn up the place, you know, and the reggae in a demand certain way and them shit there, you know. What the man them do? The man them ban the man them song and waiting. Even at Jamaica, them all a ban the man them from off a certain show too. You see what I say? And the government and the tourist board where I collect all these money off of tourists and entertainment to come in the country and none of them not put nothing together and a structure out time. Or reggae for be the face of the tourist board and them now have a red carpet show a airtime for the artists them. I use reggae, you know, my brother. So now for talk, not for pint pound yourself first, you know. And that you not do, you know, use reggae, you know. No gimmicks thing not dead about it, you know. Both the government and the tourist board, you know. And that happen, you know. Them they ever have a facility, you know, my brother, where them can keep reggae, because them claim, say, when dancehall keep a night time and show keep a night time, people for go to work in the morning and the nights are bother them. Then keep, build up a big structure where soundproof, where, like, you don't ever go here. You know what I mean? Something like even Carib Theatre, you know what I mean? Okay, all the show is you can't hear. Respect my brother, good. You can't hear because the thing soundproof. You know what I mean? Nothing like that not go on, my brother. All them want to do is use reggae and creep. See them here, be all is mine. Be all is mine. Be all is mine. Everybody, selector, disc jockey, we play up on the radio, promoter, producer, artist, a be all is mine. We do not care about the culture, my brother. Whole on sell out the culture cheap through money. And now no one ball over bumbuckler, Grammy, title. Man no respect title, you know. A people man respect, you know. You hear that? No gimmicks not in our game, you know. We not deal with no lollipop thing about it, you know. You see what I say? And what you hear Vibes Cartel I say certain things about the older artists, them and me hear people lick out and I talk about, yeah, it sound awful too, no, the way him explain himself, but nobody now see the knowledge in it. Uno for have them thing that what the man a talk about. Uno should have no big studio, no big label, no big thing them one can represent dancehall artists. You see what I say? Because uno know the road. Uno done walk the road already.
Thank you.
Good, you're welcome. Get home safely, okay? Alright. You see what I'm saying? No gimmicks thing not dead about it. But anyway, Spice, you were a beautiful girl. You were beautiful on the red carpet. You were like Queen of Sheba, the woman of beauty. And in my deepest thought, in my mind, in my heart and my soul, it's like you win the Grammy for me. You understand me? Too far. You say you come from. You know what I mean? Yeah. I don't know. Me personally not deal with lollipop thing. I don't know gimmicks thing. So Spice, it was a great look to see upon the platform and see upon the red carpet, you know what I mean? Yeah man, I'm sorry I never win it, but then and again, me know the struggle where reggae face. Remember when me I go to school, you know, them say reggae artists are black art man cause them rust them ear, you know. Them say them a black art man and them a go give you sweetie and take you away and kill you. And everybody a cuss Rasta. The police them in Jamaica would have kill Rasta with bumbuckler beating, you know, my brother. The amount of Rasta the boy them broke up, you know, and trim, you know, just because the man them rust them ear, you know, my brother. You see what I say? A marijuana business, you know. Right now the whole world and everybody I make crazy money off of marijuana. Police used to broke up the Rasta man them for marijuana, and the biggest income where man are getting in Jamaica for marijuana, exporting thing, is that the farmer commissioner own it. Howard Hamilton. Oh! Yo, man, I tell you that. Let me tell you something. Man. Excellent and not perfection, you know, my brother. It's a provoking habit. It's something where everybody have to practice. You see what I say? They are nothing but robbers and thieves. No gimmicks thing not dead about it. And anywhere. At the general, you know, 10 star. You know what I represent already. What? A Gaza way I say, you know. There ain't no fucking other way. 10 star. Oh.